Writing a rhetorical analysis essay involves examining how an author uses language and persuasive techniques to convey their message. Start by selecting a text or speech to analyze, ensuring it has a clear argument or purpose. As you read, take notes on the author's use of rhetorical appeals, such as ethos, pathos, and logos. Consider how these appeals contribute to the effectiveness of the argument. In your introduction, provide background on the text, including the author, audience, and context. State your thesis clearly, outlining the main points you will discuss in your analysis. Each body paragraph should focus on a specific rhetorical strategy. Begin with a topic sentence that introduces the strategy, followed by examples from the text to illustrate your point. Analyze how these examples support the author's overall purpose and effectiveness. Discuss the impact of the language choices, tone, and style on the audience's perception. Be sure to consider the intended audience and how the rhetorical techniques cater to their values or emotions. In your conclusion, summarize your main points and reflect on the significance of the rhetorical strategies used in the text. Highlight how these techniques contribute to the author's overall argument and what the audience can take away from it. By following this structure, you can create a well-organized and insightful rhetorical analysis essay that captures the nuances of the author's work.